Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to run a disk check in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer using the command prompt or command line. The first step is locate this icon in your taskbar, File Explorer, or go to the Start menu and open your File Explorer and hit Enter. Go to this PC and locate your hard disk letter, and in this case I am using local disk C. Open the Start menu and type Cmd. The best result is command prompt, right click and select Run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes and type this command. One moment, I changed the font. Type chkdsk space your hard drive letter, double dot space /F and hit enter. The type of the file system is NTFS, New Technology File System. Check it the next time the system restarts. Type yes and restart your system to apply the change. Close this window and select restart and wait a moment. In this process, show this message. To skip this checking, press any key with it number of seconds. Don't press don't press a key. The process is starting automatically and ending automatically. And open the login in your Windows and is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.